going on. Look at that pretty color that turned. It's not all the way there yet, because look, it actually turns kind of like red. A reddish tint when it's done. But, wow, that looks good. It's pretty, I think, personally. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. You know, I always love to see an experiment project going well, man. It just makes it all worth it, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Clay's fun. And it's really, actually, it's pretty inexpensive as far as money goes, but time and energy and effort, dude, whoa, it's big time expensive, but it's pretty versatile, man. You can make bricks, make bowls, make freaking, whatever, you know, any ceramics, man. Freaking vases and other devices, dude. I might just make me a couple freaking balls, dude, of clay too, man, for slinging stones. Anyway,